Odida Julius. I am aged 25 years, currently a student at Makerere University Business School, doing a bachelor's degree in business administration, majoring in the finance option. I'm the founder of Youth Initiative for Economic Transformation, YET. YET is a community-based organization that operates in Uganda, in the Midwestern part in Chiriandongo District, Nyamasa Sub-County, in Nyamasa B Village. YET works with youth groups and organizes them into 3 programs that it operates. The first program, that is the foundational skills, which entails sexual reproductive health, life skills, and women empowerment. And then we have financial literacy, which is through trainings and practices through VSLA. Then lastly is a leadership program that entails leadership trainings and developments. What led me to form YET? Number one, first of all, at a personal story, I was born and my parents separated when I was at an early age, and as a result, I lived with my mother with a lot of difficulties, with limited access to good proper needs as a child, and as a result, at one point I became very sick and couldn't continue for 1 year with my education. Then I was lucky, I caught up with the education trend. I studied up to my senior 4 level and passed very highly. Then after that, I completed my A level, and after finishing my A level during the vacation, that was when I thought of the different unprivileged children in Uganda whom I can, from experience, be able to change their livelihoods. And through that, I started organizing my friends such that we can be able to start up a savings scheme whereby we can be able to save on a weekly basis and then loan out so that we can improve the livelihoods of our different people. So we started that with a team of 9 people, plus me making 10 of us. On a weekly basis, we would save $10, and as a result, we accumulated money and began loaning to different people at a low interest rate, making it compulsory to start up an income generating activity with the money that we loaned out. So that whole idea gave birth to our financial literacy program through trainings and practices of Village Savings and Loaning Association. Then next, we thought of empowering the young girl child through training them on sexual reproductive health and women empowerment through making of reusable menstrual pads. Young girls drop out of school or fail to continue with studies because they cannot be able to afford menstrual pads, and as a result they feel shy going to public places like classrooms because they cannot afford to put on very good reusable menstrual pads. So we came up with the foundational skills that entails training on sexual reproductive health and then life skills to enable them move on. Then the next program, that is leadership. Everyone is a leader. Our leadership program empowers the young generation to become good future leaders. The most impressive moment in the YET history was seeing people's lives being transformed. Somebody takes a loan, let's say over $100, and this person is capable of starting up an income generating activity, and the income generating activity transforms the person's life. This person starts, let's say, a piggery project, and this piggery project is capable of making him attain basic needs, like let's say clothing. This person is capable of taking the children to school, buying food, building a house. So that is the most moment that I can't forget in my life. Then another one is the moment whereby I now finally organize the youth into groups and they can now be able to do their own savings. YET can be supported in various ways. Number one, through giving out loans, that for us in turn we shall be able to give out loans to help and change the lives of poor Ugandans over here. Then YET can be supported through donations, through donating and supporting different of our programs like the foundational skills, through giving out both material and financial support that will be able to change the livelihoods of the youth here. You can be able to follow us on Facebook, that is Yet Initiative, Instagram, Yet Initiative, and Twitter at Yet Initiative. Then you can follow us on our website, that is